I'm reserving all my rights,
Yes,
right? I'm not waiving any rights.
No, sir.
And $500,000 hour if you seize my automobile. And if you're gonna detain me, let me finish. If you're gonna detain me, I need to see a judge today.
Yes, sir.
So
in Jamaica, we always see police abuse them authority when it comes to simple things like traffic stop. This is a very good example from my general remote tour JA. You know, say he's a part of the Free Not Dumb University. So the way how him exhibit every single thing where him been a learn from them time until now. We have to come in him. Anybody when I follow the G, go follow him page, same time. Watch the video.
alright. So it's a record now.
Right.
Now go with me in your face.
Under the Road Traffic Act, it's given it certain powers. We are along the roadway, sir. We observe your motor vehicle coming, and we observe that the tint on your motor vehicle is obscuring your vision based on the Road Traffic Act, and so we have pulled you over. We have pulled you over. We have an examiner here who is going to examine the vehicle to ensure that you are in keeping with the Road Traffic Act. So based on that, now we are now requesting for you to provide the documents for your vehicle and documents to identify yourself as the driver of the motor vehicle. Failure to do so, sir, I'm going to place you in custody until I can get your true identity as to who you are and the legality of you operating.
Alright, so based on that what you just said,
Yes, sir.
I am reserving all my rights. No, I listen to you now. Can I get my recording now?
Yes, sir.
So I'm reserving all my rights,
Yes,
right? I'm not waiving any rights.
No, sir.
And $500,000 hour if you seize my automobile. And if you're gonna detain me, let me finish. If you're gonna detain me,
Yes, sir.
I need to see a judge today.
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
I'm going to arrest you. I'm going to arrest you, sir. And you can call. It's a bailable offense.
Come on, break down the video. First thing, squad can't arrest you without a charge. And them can't charge somebody with them not identify. And you need to know your true identity different from the government name. The government name depend all of the documents that them issue to you as the holder. And the holder means something definitely different from what you think it means. The holder means you are the creditor. You're supposed to benefit from it. You're not supposed to lose. Simple. But listen keenly, you find out say it's intricate. It's full of details. My virgin and the police them in a things because him never present him ID. And for him reason for not presenting his ID is the police them never suspect him of committing a crime. So a private man a travel through in a private conveyance and police stop him, say him a drive and make some allegations in attempt of contracting with the private man. The private man decides that he's not leaving from out of the private in the public without a reasonable cause. Because him now want to do business. He's not on business today. You see me? He's about his personal life, his pursuit to happiness, which is an unalienable right so him have. You see the pray? Squad stop him anyways, force him to present him ID, which him never do it, use, duress, cohesion, and one bag of stress. You see me? Fling him in a handcuff, carry him to a station for actually the whole day. Force him again, threaten him. Because remember say all of this happened, the squad did have him gun upon him. So the man can say it was a robbery take place and the man them take him car, kidnap him car and kidnap him for a while. And all now him not get back him car. But them things happen every day. You see me? Evaluating the situation as me say. Remote tour JA, Father Davian. Brother, you're doing well. You see me? And people need to follow the G and take a page out of him book. Here the G say, if them are going to seize a motor vehicle, you are going to accept it on certain terms and conditions. And that is the conditions we say, yo, them have to pay him £500,000 per, not pound, him say £500,000 per hour. I choose £500,000 on my rate per hour. You see the pray? So, him charge them £500,000 and Squaddy said yes. Watch back the video. Squaddy agreed to the contract verbally. Uno tell me how you think this are gonna look. Uno are the jury, you know. Because remember I said the jury are the people, you know, brother. The judge not supposed to make decision. The judge is just an administrator in this situation. Because a private man versus a corporation, and we know how it go. The man make the corporation, so a corporation not supposed to damage a man. We know say the system can be unjust at time, but I will be there in the courtroom recording everything for the ones and ones them sick. It's a public place, you know, and them things are for them on the public records. So the world can see. No non-disclosure agreement right here. Make us see what I go on paper.
All right, so let me know what you guys think about this. But what I notice is there is an obvious campaign with the police in Jamaica when it comes to the public that's traveling on the roads. They're charging them a lot of money for a lot of, I say, frivolous and stupid things. Like I saw a video where there's a guy, he couldn't believe it. You know, when you have your vehicle, you can change the shifter. Some people change the shifter to the crystal. Some people change the shifter to, you know, something decorative, something that could light up. Especially in sports cars, they like to do that. So he changed his shifter. That's a $10,000 ticket. What does the shifter have to do with anything?